rolling and sliding. Hello everyone! Today you are going to decide which 3D objects can roll and which can slide. Activity 1. Find one of each of the following objects around your home. For example, a ball, a box, and a soda can. Will this ball roll, slide, or both? Let's see. This ball can roll because all the sides are round. What about a box? A box does not have any round sides, so it can't roll. A box can only slide. What about this soda can? The soda can has a round side and a flat side. So the soda can roll on its round side. When the soda can is on its flat side, it can slide. So, a soda can roll and slide. Activity 2. Will this object roll or slide? Can you see that a ball only has round sides? Because the ball only has round sides, the ball can roll. What about a box of crayons? Will a box of crayons roll or slide? Look at the sides of the box of crayons. Can you see that all the sides are flat? So the box of crayons can only slide. That's it. What about this box? Will it roll or slide? Don't forget to look at the sides. Are the sides round or are they flat? Can you see that all the sides of the box are flat? So the box will slide. Yes. And this washing powder box? Will it roll or slide? All the sides of the washing powder box are flat. So the washing powder box will slide. Here is another ball. Can you see that all the sides of the ball are round? So the ball can only roll. Well done. What about this object? Will it roll or slide or do both? Well, this object has round sides and flat sides. So the object will roll on its round side and it will slide on its flat side. So this object can roll and it can slide. It can do both because it has a round side and flat sides. Have fun rolling and sliding. See you next time.